Hi everybody, this is Kathy from katzelcreate and welcome back to our channel. So today I am coming along with a Beebeecraft project share, video number 1. And wow, so I was so excited to receive this package, so excited. As you guys can recall, on my unboxing I received all these items, and I just wanted to show you what I ended up creating. And let's go ahead and show you. Anyways, before I forget, let me go ahead and tell you about the YouTube program that Beebeecraft has going on. And it is basically, you must have a YouTube channel, have at least over 100 subscribers. And what they do is that they allow you to promote some of their items. And what they do is they send you these items, no cost to you, but you do have to make videos and do two project shares and a unboxing. So it's an awesome way of showing these beautiful items and your creation as well. Anyway, so I will link all that information down on the description below, as well as the website to Beebeecraft. So here, let me go ahead and show you what I've created. As you guys remember, I got these head pins right here. I got this curved nose pliers and the wire cutters, and I did get this set. And this is a set that comes, it's a 90-piece faux suede leather bracelet making kit. And basically what it is, they send you these, and that, you know, it's basically made for you to cut it on your own. Basically what you do is measure depending on what you want to, you know, measure for your wrist, and then cut and then create. Now this is an awesome way if you are having like a slumber party, a girl slumber party, a party for a little girl, or just a little girl herself, you know, if she's into starting to make bracelets and be creative. This is an awesome way to start her off with. It is not an expensive item. Wow, it's really cheap. To me, it was really cheap. So let me go ahead and show you what I ended up creating. What I made with these is, and I also use these rhinestones that I also received from Beebeecraft. These are really tiny and really cute, and there's different colors in here. So I ended up using that, and I will link everything that I actually got from Beebeecraft down in the description below, so you guys could go over and check it out. So I did mention that there was no instructions when I got the unboxing, but you do go over to their website and they have all the instructions there. Let me go ahead and show you how their site is. And like I said, their price is not expensive. It's really cheap for this kit, and their instructions are right here, and it shows you step by step, and it's really simple. It doesn't even take not even 5 minutes to make this item, or the bracelets. Really, it doesn't. I don't think it even takes 3 minutes, unless you are like very picky, which I usually am. So it usually does take me longer because I am very picky on how I create my stuff. So there you go. Those are their instructions, and very easy and simple to follow. So let me go ahead and show you what I created now. So this is what I created. This was my first one. What do you guys think? Instead of making a bracelet, I made this little cute charm. So I used the beads that they came with. I put everything together, so it came with some charms, and those are the charms, some of the charms I had, and I used that one. And here is the clasp and the ring. Everything is basically, it's given to you. It's right there, and you just have to create. It's not even hard. So I made this one, and I did make the bracelet. Here is the bracelet I made, and here are the rhinestones I ended up using. And isn't that cute how that ended up? Wow, that is so cute. I love it. I love how it ended up really nice. And there's the back part, and really is easy. All I did was just use these clamps and just press them down, and it was so easy to set up, so easy. So, and then I used the flathead pins on here, as you could tell, very pretty. So that's 1, 2, and here is my third one, and this is what I created with this one. And there you go. And I did the same effect as I did here, and I just used a different color. And this is also a bead or a charm that came with the kit. So there you go. So let me go ahead, and I started one, and I was like, why don't I just make it with you guys? So let me go ahead and put everything to the side. I had everything in a little canister. I might need one of these. I might need this, and I put everything together. Actually, everything comes in its own separate bag. So to make it simpler for me, I put everything together, because then I would be losing stuff like I always do. So there you go. I need that, and I need that. Okay, so I have this already made, because I am going to make another one. And here are the wire cutters I received from Beebeecraft. And all I did was cut it there. Let me see. There you go. Put that aside. Make sure. I'm going to go ahead and clamp it down, because there's still some wire there. Clamp it down here. Sorry, you guys. And I am trying to do this when you're trying to make videos. Sometimes things get a little harder. You can't do it the way you want. Yeah, so I ended up doing that. So basically what I did is I put wire around here, put it there so I could make my little tassel part. And then what I'm gonna do, I already cut a piece. Okay, so here's my piece. So all you do, you're gonna do it this way. But before I put it on here, because I do want to do the same, kind of like the same thing I did over here, I am actually going to put a little bit of glue right here. And that's just to make sure it holds up a little longer, and it doesn't, even though this actually holds really good, I just want to make sure it lasts for a longer time and make sure it's secure. I'm always that little scaredy cat person. There you go. Put it there. And then what I'm going to do on this one, since I don't want to use my other charms because I want to use it for other projects, I'm going to use this wire and wrap it around here. And I hope I am in frame, and I hope you guys can see. So I just went ahead and put some wire around here. And there you go. Might have to correct this one a little bit. There you go. And I might have to cut that little piece off. And there you go. I am done. I think I put enough wire right there. I'm gonna go ahead and cut this, and I like that it's a close cut. There you go. You see, usually when you do the other kind of wire cutting, the cut is a little bit more of away from your let me see, making sure. I want to clamp it down a little bit more. There you go. There we go. So now what I'm gonna do is I am going to actually put a jump ring in here. And let me see if I have that here. I have some in here. Oh my goodness. So I have my jump ring, and I like these because I can also use it like this. And there you go. Put that in here. Put that here. Okay, Well, basically what I should have done is I should have left it open and put all my charms, some that I have already created, just to save some time, and I don't have you guys here waiting on me trying to put all these things together. And there you go. Now I'm going to go ahead and close it. I think what took me longer was creating these. Okay, and then I'm going to go ahead and put it in here. Now I am going to put this in here. Make sure this is inside. I don't want to clamp it down and then this not be inside, and then I have only one part there. So make sure it's in here, make sure it's in there, and all you do is really easy and simple. All you do is put this down like that. See how easy and fast that is, you guys? Oh my goodness. And there you go. Now I have this right here, and all I do is get my jump ring, turn it to the side, put that in here, and then put this in here, and there you go. What do you guys think? So now I am ready to put this on a keychain, on a creation that I've created, and there you go. It's so easy and simple, and it's so cute. I love how these came out. Love making these. There you go. And these are the items that I used. Hopefully you guys could see, and I will put this in here as well. Now, just a reminder, if you order anything from Beebeecraft, you will get free shipping if your order is over $25. Okay, so don't forget that. That's an awesome deal because they have awesome prices, and yay, because you get free shipping if it's over $25. And thank you everybody for taking the time to watch, and we will see you guys on our next project share and review, and bye for now.